is this place?
Today we're going to show you how to do a door opening to a random place effect on Final Cut Pro. First, you want to get your video recorded and put it on the timeline and chop it down to whatever you need. Then you want to hold Shift B and put the speed to 300. And then when you're done with that, you're going to go to the effects and find the draw mask tool and drag it to your video. And you're going to want to place the control point, the first control point, just when the door is like a little bit open, and cut it out. Once you have it cut out good, you're going to want to invert your mask and set your control points. Make sure you have it like inline good though. And then you just want to go to the next frame and do the exact same thing over and over and over until the door is completely cut out. As soon as you're done cutting out the door or the inside of the door, you want to go back and watch it and make sure you have it good so there's no showing of the other video that's under the mask. And then you're going to want to take whatever video you want to put under the mat or put over the mask and drag it under your video and put it on there as good as you can get it. And then make sure that you watch it and make sure that it's in the right spot. And now you want to take that black line and make it as small as you possibly can, like try to fit it in the crack in the door. And as soon as you have it like as small as you can get it, go back and watch it and make sure that it looks good. And then you're going to want to feather it, like you are going to drag it all the way down. And it's going to look really weird at first. You're going to cut it, like cut the video in half right where the door opens, and turn the feather tool all the way down for the first half of the video, and then for the second half, I put mine on like 15, so it doesn't look weird like it did. Now you're done.